Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. And let me actually reopen it like this. Once you open the application, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices or device icon rather to open the device page. On this page you should see your Redmi Watch 3. Now scroll down, find the unpair button and tap on it. Then tap on unpair again. Tap on got it. Watch will disappear from the device page. It will reset itself to the factory default settings. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, tap on the Bluetooth option. Here you should see Redmi Watch 3 at least once, but probably you will see both or two of them. Tap on the info icon next to one, tap on forget this device, tap on forget device, then tap on the info next to second one, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device. Like this. And once you disconnect both of them, you can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. And that's how you unpair this watch from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.